everyone, and welcome to my channel. So for this vlog is we're gonna make a new unboxing for today. So yes, and this is a new one. Okay, this is a new one. So yeah, I'm gonna have to check this out. So I bought this on Timu, and then also yeah, I just have to it's because sometimes stores are not gonna be but like this one. They're not go for the uh, not to record their store, right? So yeah, so that's why I have to buy this one. So just for to make a vlog, right? So when I am going outside and also yeah, and then sometimes because other YouTubers out there also make videos of the stores, right? So just like in Walmart, in thrift store, they just have to for your phone, but for me for me because yeah, I am so afraid that they're gonna be mad if I'm recording inside their store, right? So yeah, that's why I have to do this. Okay, I have to buy this one. All right, so okay, without further ado, let's gonna start up. All right, here we go. So yeah, gonna have to just like that one. Okay, and then let's go. Gonna open this one right over here. Yes, and then you're gonna have to check this out, right? So this is camera glasses. All right, so glasses with a camera. So if you are not going to be doing uh, some in the because I want to make a vlog about inside something that on in a store, right, in which I want to share it into my fellow Filipino out there, right? So what is like having what is like having some stores like this one here in USA. Okay, so we've got right here just only yeah, that is so lightweight. So I'm gonna have to check this out. Okay, and then we've got the case. Okay, they have a case. Okay, we got a case. Okay, and then also right, gonna have to they got also someone like this one, right? So yeah, and then let's go, gonna have to open this one right over here. We all right, we've got a micro SD. So good. Okay, type C is a micro USB. Okay, what is this? Okay, we've got some eyewear video recorder. So we got a user manual. Yeah, and then we've got some microfiber lens, and then we've got here the glasses. Okay, let's go, gonna check it out. Ooh, nice. Okay, love this one. Okay, so minimalistic. Ooh, nice. I love this. Okay, hope it's not gonna be in my ear. Okay, so we've got right here. What is this? Okay, where to put the micro SD. So let's go, gonna have to check it out for the gonna have to put. So gonna have to clean first the glasses. Okay, gonna have to clean the glasses first, and then after that thing I'm gonna have to check it out. All right, so yeah, there you go. So okay, user manual. Okay, where to put the okay, so indicator light, USB port, reset, mic, function button, ST and TF card slot. Number 6, okay, okay, TF card slot, okay, okay, yeah. You okay? There you go. Yeah, there you have it. There you have it. So this one right over there is the micro SD card slot. So let's go. Gonna have to put this micro SD card slot. So 16 gigabytes. So I chose 16 gigabyte. Okay. Yeah. It the what is this called the glasses is varies from the SD is the price of the is varies from the SD card. Okay, is this the right one? Okay, okay, I think all right, I think I put it in the wrong side. Okay, okay, how to get this? All right. Oh no. Okay. I think I just put it in the wrong side. Okay. Okay. This one is hard. Okay. Okay. Is that it? Okay. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Is that the right? Is that the right? Okay. I'm gonna have to take it off. Okay. I'm gonna have to. Okay. There you go. So this one, I think. Yeah. I don't know. Okay. This gonna have to try. Oops. Okay. Bad. Okay. So um, I think this will be the one. Okay. I think this will be the right. Okay. This will be the right. Okay. Let's hope. Cross fingers, everyone. Okay. Okay. Gonna have to do it like that. Okay. I think. All right. Yeah. Okay. There you go. There you have it. So it's already been, and then there you go, and then is it already okay? I think this is the you know, there's a button in here. Um, it says power button. Okay, let's go gonna check that out. Um, yeah, I think so. Yeah, and it's also micro USB, right? So we got a micro USB in here. So let's go gonna have to try it out. Okay, okay, let's go gonna try it out. So okay, there it goes. I'm gonna have to, some, there's some, gonna have to clean that up. Okay, this one right over here. Okay, gonna have to take it off first. Okay, right. So yeah. So sorry for right here. Oh, nice. Okay, I love this. Okay, very good. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna have to turn it on. Okay. Okay, there you go. And then how to, yeah. Power on, press the function button for about 2 seconds. The red light is on. The device enters into the standby state. Please insert the TF card first. Okay, now in a photo in standby state, short time, press the function button to take the photos. In the video, long time, press the function button for about 2 seconds. The red light flash 3 times, then off. Start videoing. Okay. What is this? Okay, I forgot. Okay, we've got the red light flash. The red light flash 3 times, then off. Start videoing. Okay, I think you already started videoing. Yeah, it's already starting videoing, so it's already red. Okay, it is now recording, right? So yeah, nice. And also, I really like this one, right? It's because it is really been, just like that one right over there. So yeah, I know it's already recording, right? So yeah, this one right here is also good. So yeah, and then I think the camera is here. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, let's gonna check it out. Okay. So the camera lens is only one, right? So the other one's not here. So the camera lens is right here, since the SD card is right here at the left, right? So I think that is also So gonna have to put it back again. So yeah, if I'm gonna have to do it like that, so I think it's already recorded. So I'm gonna have to check it out in my laptop if it's gonna be recording. All right. So yeah, and if I'm gonna have to turn off, okay. Um. Okay, so in blue light flash 3 times, then off. Okay, the red light is on. The camera is stop videoing, then go into standby during continuous recording. In order to ensure the safety of the recording file, the system will automatically save a recording file every 3 minutes. Oh, okay, every 3 minutes. Okay, so I really like this, yeah, because it is not so wobble in my, like that one, right? It's wobble, and it also, it is invisible to people, right? That I am recording, right? Okay, and also I'm gonna check that out. How I'm gonna check that out if it's gonna be a 1080 pixels, right? So it says right here 1080 pixels, right? Yeah, and also there's also a 30 FPS also, right? Frame per second. And so let's go. What is this one? I'm gonna have to review it again. So okay, for the video in standby state, long time press the function button for about 2 seconds. The red light flash 3 times, then off. Okay, and then start video recording, right? So in video recording, short time press the in video recording, short time press the function button. Okay, and the blue light flash 3 times, then off the red, the okay, sorry, the blue light flash 3 times, then off, the red light is on, right? Short time press the function. Okay, I think I haven't. Okay, it's turning off. Okay, it's off. Okay. Oh yeah, I think now it's recording. Okay, I think now it's recording. I think now it's recording. Okay, okay, hello. Okay, all right. I don't want to do it anymore like that one. If I am because sometimes there's one like over there, so I have to do. I have to press it like that so that the the glasses will get I really love this kind of glasses also, right? So it is really a good one, right? And it's also a really yeah, and so we're gonna have to turn it on the lights. Okay, and then there we go, and then let's go, gonna have to stop recording. All right, there you go. That's what this says in the description, I think. Yeah, in the blue light flash 3 times, then off, the red light is on. The camera stop video and go into a standby state. Yeah, the blue is not there yet. Okay, but I think it's already recording. I hope so. Okay, gonna have to. Okay, it's turning off, right? It's turning off. Okay, so I'm gonna have to check that out into my laptop. If it is gonna be, right, recording. So I can charge this one right over here. Since it's a micro USB, and also I can use also this one right over here. Not gonna be taking off the micro SD card, right, from the glasses, right? If I'm gonna be transferring videos right into my laptop. All right, so yeah. Okay, so so far this is by far the good one also, right? And it's also I have another one, but it's just only Bluetooth connectivity that you can also play music on it, right? But this one right here is the one that I've been want, is because I want to record, right? So when I am walking up, just like what is this called, POV, right? So point of view, and it's really a good one. Is because it is so tight into my ears that which cannot be wobble like that one, right? In which is I don't want to do it anymore like that one. If I am because sometimes there's one like over there, so I have to press it like that so that the the glasses will get I really love this kind of glasses also, right? So it is really a good one, right? And it's also a really perfect, right? All right, so I think that's it for this video, and also I hope you like it. And thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, stay tuned because I am giving you some of my good stuff here on my channel, sharing to all of you. Right? Thank you, and see you again on the next one.